Hi parents, so what you're seeing is my end of the version of the Google Classroom. Your child should have gotten an invitation to join our Google Classroom. And so I'm just going to kind of show you where to find some of the work and kind of what to do. So once you log into their email, you're going to go to this little grid up here and you're going to click Google Classroom right there. It's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this, and you are going to just click their classroom that they belong to. And this part will look semi-similar. I'll have announcements right down here where you can read what's happening. And this link up here is for when we have our meetings. So whenever on the schedule it says Google Meet, this is kind of what you're going to click. There'll be a schedule that'll be uploaded daily, as well as a schedule put in this child's binder that comes with them. Now to get to the work, when they're not meeting with me, they're going to have classwork that they need to complete. So you're just going to click classwork. And then you'll go down to the day. So these are organized by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And Fridays are all we're going to be doing until November 30th. So I'm just going to show you when I tell them, okay, we're going to work on independent time, or when on their schedule it says that, you're just going to come and click this independent work slide section. It kind of tells you right here, all the activities are going to be on that slide. So you're going to click the different areas. So there's an alphabet chart, and they'll do 20 minutes of Teacher Monster to Read. There's a laptop for Waterford, and they're going to do the red or the blue. It's the reading section. They're going to click on the calculator. That's for the Envision assignments, which I'll show you at another time. They're going to click on the kids that are on the carpet for the phonics activity that they're going to complete. They're to click on the calendar for math games, and that'll be about 10 minutes of math games, or longer later on if they want to. They can click on the books that are on the shelf under the calendar for reading A to Z, and they're going to have to read at least 2 stories, and it's going to be a listen to, a read, and then a quiz. So this is what their classroom looks like. And they can click this present button up here if they want. So it kind of gets to be in the big screen. And so they'll just click the different things. I have all their little emojis up here. And so if we click the vowels poster here, this alphabet poster here, it's going to take us right to the Teacher Monster to Read. And that information is on the sheet, but all it is their first name and then play. And then if we go back and we click the calendar, you'll see that this is the game center, and they can play any of these games they would like. And if we go back and we click the calculator, so this is just logged in under somebody's name already, but this is what their screen will look like once they log in. I will show you at another video how to log in and what to do when you get to their work. If we click the books, it comes right to Raz Kids. All they'll have to do is click on their name, and then they'll have to type 6 S's in order to get into their reading. And I can track this. So you just have to make sure that they're listening to the story, reading it, and doing the quiz. And if we click the laptop, it takes us right to Waterford. Again, their logins will be on the page, but it's usually just their first name, their last initial, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you click on the kids, there's always going to be an interactive slide activity for them to do. So for the first Friday, they'll be doing this activity where they click and drag the letters to spell the word that matches the picture. And so once they've done the letters, you just go to the next slide until they've completed them all. And then just leave it alone, and I should be able to see it later. And then once they've done all those activities, they'll be done with that for the day. If we go back to our classroom, we go to classwork. There might be other things on here. I will put in the announcement section, which is on the stream, what you need to look for. I'm also going to be using Dojo very heavily to remind families 5 minutes prior to their child's meet time. It is very important that they arrive at their meeting on time. I will be taking attendance, and it's very important that they complete all assignments given. We'll be doing some tests over the computer, and I'm going to try and make this as easy as I can. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to email me, or you can Dojo me a message, and I will get back to you. As far as Class Dojo, I know some parents had some questions about Class Dojo. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I log in from a parent view. So my son actually has Dojo, so I can log in and I'll show you what it looks like, what you should be seeing on your view, so that you can have an idea of where everything is. So once I have everything up for your view, the All Stories is where my announcements come on. And then we have the messages where you can take a picture on your phone and send me a picture of their work. Then the other section is this little guy here. And this just kind of is their class report. And that's kind of it for right now. So we have the home, we have the All Stories. If you have any other questions about it, you can let me know. I'm going to do a test run and try and send something through the child's portfolio for you to be able to see. And I'll put it in Class Story, which is here when I do, so you can see if it went through or not. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. I'll be doing some more videos before we go virtual to kind of give you a better idea of what's going on. All right, thanks.